Hello, Mornville Public Learning Farm friends. Today we wanted to update you on our incubation project. So here we have our incubator, and every day in the incubator we have a few jobs we have to do. We have to check the temperature, and we want our temperature to be around 39 degrees. We also have to keep it humid in the incubator. So I've been using wet towels that I dampen with hot water and then put around the edge of the incubator. It can't touch the eggs can't be wet, but it needs to be a nice, warm, humid temperature inside the incubator. So 2 or 3 times a day we warm those up and change them out. And then we have to make sure that there's a little bit of water in the bottom to help with the humidity as well. And we also have to roll around the eggs, just like a mother hen would wiggle on her eggs. We have to move the eggs around so that the babies grow evenly on the inside. So those are some jobs we've been doing every single day, 2 or 3 times a day. It's a big commitment, but so far, so good. The next thing we wanted to show you is the development in our eggs. So if you recall, back at the beginning, all of our eggs looked like this. So this is one of our brown eggs, and as you can see, it's very glowy, and you can't really see anything on the inside. It's just one big glowy ball. You can kind of see the yolk dark spot on the inside, but that's about it. There's no lines, there's no red marks, nothing like that. So our egg number 11 was not fertilized, so it has not changed since the very beginning. But we've kept it so we can compare the difference between a regular egg and a fertilized egg as we go. So this is a non-fertilized regular egg. Nothing happening on the inside. Okay, so now we are looking at a fertilized egg, one that's been growing in the incubator. So as you can see, the egg is quite dark. There's only a few glowing spots on the end, and the egg is quite dark because that is actually what's growing on the inside. You can see those really dark spots, and as you move the egg, the dark spots move. You can see there is some vein type lines that are growing in there, and the dark spot moves around. Looks quite different than the fertilized egg. And if you remember back when we first started, it was easier to see through the white eggs, but now it's quite hard. The egg is quite full and has lots of growth, so it's really hard to see inside. Egg number 8, and you can see it's quite glowy, but you can see the dark spot on the inside. So it has some growth, not as much growth as the white one, but you can see that dark spot inside growing. It's bigger than it was a few days ago. A few days ago it was only a dark spot, but now it's quite a big spot, about the size of your thumb. So this one still has some growing to do, but we hope it'll continue to grow. You can see it wiggle there a little bit as I move the egg. Thanks for watching.